You're considering buying your first stock, but you're not sure where to start or if it's even worth the risk. Well, the good news is that you're not alone. Millions of people, just like you, are taking their first steps in the stock market every year. And the even better news is that buying your first stock is actually easier than you think, as long as you know what to do. To start with, let's clear up a common misconception. You don't need a lot of money to buy stocks. In fact, you can start investing with as little as $100, and some brokerages even offer commission-free trading on certain stocks. But before you start investing, it's essential to understand the basics of how stocks work. So what is a stock exactly? Simply put, a stock represents ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you're essentially buying a tiny piece of that company. Imagine you own a small bakery in a busy neighborhood. You need to sell a lot of cupcakes to make a profit, but you also need to pay for ingredients, rent, and other expenses. Now, imagine someone else wants to own a tiny piece of your bakery.